Hello and welcome to another Kinghorn Electric Vehicles EV conversion update. In this video we wire up and rebuild the Jaguar EV conversion. Now all of the major conversion components are in the vehicle, it's time to wire everything up. Our conversion wiring piggybacks on top of the car's original wiring loom so that we don't alter any of the original system and allowing the car to be returned to petrol if desired in the future. As you can see, this is quite a time-consuming endeavour as it's very complicated. There's lots of strands of wires, there's lots of different connections that have to be exactly right, or we can have all kinds of problems in the future. We run all of our cabling through existing holes and channels in the car. Again, this is to preserve its originality. To allow us to fit the two charge ports, one for Type 2 fast charging and the other for CHAdeMO rapid charging, we had to design and 3D print these adapters that fit into the existing fuel filler doors and use 3D printed nuts to keep them in place. Next, it's on to installing the control systems in the car along with a modern throttle pedal, again using existing holes to route the cabling. We then had a panel custom made to alter the dash switch labelling to match the direction switches. The switches are the original ones repurposed, but these new panels allow us to put new labels on there, so where it used to say fuel, it now says forward and reverse, and where it used to say start, it now says neutral. These panels are backlit when the lights are on in the car, so it took a bit of designing and finding somebody to actually engrave them and make the new panels to fit into the car. After conversion, the vehicle's weight is different and we use corner scales to work out what, if any, suspension modifications are needed. The Jaguar worked out to be 52 kilograms lighter than it was when it was petrol and had a near 50-50 front and rear balance. As the front of the car was lighter, we needed to lower its ride height, but more of that later on. The interior was next up. Door cards had new panels fitted but were kept unrestored, along with most of the rest of the interior. The boot mat and panels were altered where necessary to make sure that everything fitted around the rear battery box. The centre console had a Bluetooth amplifier and speakers fitted, then the rest of the interior was put back together. Back to the suspension, and all of the bushes on the front were replaced, along with springs changed to get the ride height level again. Then it was time to turn the car on for the first time, but more of that in the next video. Please comment below if you have any questions, and it would really help if you could share this video with your friends. If you like this, please give us a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. It's free, it means you get notified when we release more videos. Till the next time, keep charging ahead.